Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to set up about triple integrals. So that should be like this. And we know that upon the plane that is about z equals to number 0. So that means about z that should be greater than number 0 and smaller than s plus number 2. The next one that is about dy dx we can do later in here. So we need to focus about this one. So if we do the integration of dz, we have like this. So this one we got about s plus number 2 dy dx, and the next one they are between two circles in here. So we can use about polar coordinates. So I will put about s equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta. So we have x squared plus y squared. So I will put this one go in here, this one go in here. So we have like this. Now we can do about factorization of this one. And we can see that this is about number 1. So we put r square go in here. So if we put the square root for the both sides, r should be between form number 1 to number 2, or maybe form negative number 2 to negative number 1. Now, after you got this one, we have dy dx. And we need to transform into r dr d data. And now we need to write about two circles in here. So the region we need to focus, that is about this one, because the question they ask between, that's why we need to focus this area in here. So this one that is about number 1, this one that is about number 2, because from this one and this one we have the formula in here. This is the formula of the circle. That's why this one that is about 1 square, number 4 that is about 2 square. So that's why we have number 1 and number 2. This one we have negative number 1 and negative number 2. So after we got everything, we can put inside the box. About x, we transform into this one. And we have number 2. dy dx, that is this one. About dr, that is about the radius of the circle. So that should be from number 1 to number 2. About the data, we need to know that they start at number 0 in here and they go one circle. And this is about 2b. So that should be from 0 to 2b in here. Now we need to calculate this one. So we have r multiply this one. The integration of r square, that is about r to the power of 3 over number 3. This one, that is about r square. So I will put number 2 go in here, number 1 go in here. So this one, we have 8 over number 3 cosine theta. And we have number 4 in here, minus, we put number 1 go in here, we have 1 over 3 cosine theta. And the next one, we have negative number 1. Now we need to simplify this one. 8 over 3 minus 1 over 3, we have 7 over 3. This one, number 4 minus number 1, we have number 3. The integration of cosine theta, that is about sine theta. Number 3, that is about 3 theta. So I will put 2b go in here, number 0 go in here. So we have 6b. This is the end. Thank you for watching.